Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. ABCD. Green color, yellow color, orange color, pink color, grey color, brown color, light green color, skin color, purple color and black color. Let's start. A for apple. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for bat. B for bat. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. C for candy. C for candy. D for dog. D for dog. D for donkey. D for donkey. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. F for frog. F for frog. G for goat. G for goat. G for girl. G for girl. H for house. H for house. H for home. H for home. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for inkpot. I for inkpot. J for joker. J for joker. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. K for king. K for king. L for lemon. L for lemon. L for lime. L for lime. A B C D E F G H I J K L. So kids, what we learn today? We learn ABCD. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.